Okay, wait. I forgot to put on my black liner, my black eyeliner underneath. Oh my god. Okay, so I have a glimmer stick eyeliner. This is one of my Avon eyeliners, you guys. You guys know I sell Avon. So I know some ladies that they don't know how to put on eyeliner. If you don't know how to do your eyeliner, it's okay. You can leave this stuff out. But I realized once I was done. Okay, so this is actually the finished look. But you know, it could also be a finished look without that eyeliner if you don't want it. Just something super quick for you ladies on the run. I know you guys are always rushing to get to work and drop off your kids and do all of that, and just want something to make you feel good and look pretty, and you guys could do it. I know that you guys could do it. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you guys in my next one. I hope you really enjoyed this look. Bye.